ze sangere, ta tenye sangere, so tebe songa sangere, chitten ze sangere. Yeah, what them wa pola, nyatema wa po so mok, yeah. Bong su pola, jemen zong po samba, dong chu ngamba, dong ze pabu koka, yeah. Pola pia shingong en jingong dok fanka pugeten tu senchi telekle la jomba, yeah. Shishi la moge.
Time is already 5 a.m. 5 a.m. And Hezkid is still sleeping. You're still Hezkid! Hezkid! Mom! Come here very fast! Mom, I'm coming. Hezkid! What are you still doing in the house? Can you help your mother? Look at the time you are sitting down sleeping.
Yes, Mom, I know. I'll go to the farm. Just chill. Give me some small time. I'll go to the farm to recipe. This is 5 a.m. See 5 a.m.
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock meaning.
What do you want me to go and do in the farm now? It's still too early.
Go to my neighbor's houses and see. All their children are out. They're in the farm helping their mother. And you're here sleeping. Small holiday that they gave you people. You cannot take it and go and help me. Hezkid, you cannot help me.
Yes, Mom, I know my friends are out there, but I'm not the one. You know what? I came back from the farm yesterday very late. So I can't be going to the farm now. It's still too early, Mom. It's still too early. Just give me some time. Let me rest a bit. I'm tired. I'm too tired.
It's still 5 a.m. You're still saying that? You will not eat any food in this house again. All your mates, all your friends, and your mother's fans now, helping them, and you are here with me. So you cannot help me. Small days are the game. You cannot even take and help your mother.
Okay, Mom, I'll go to the farm. But stop putting me so much pressure. It's still too early.
If it was food, there's no food. There will be no food for you in this house again. No food for you in this house for 2 weeks. No food.
I'll go. Yeah, Mom, I'll go.
Okay. I'll go to the farm. Could have been picking a good stick. Let's see something.